Why should somebody do pistol squats? Stick around for 6 reasons on how pistol squats can be beneficial. Hey, it's Oskar from GoPrimate here, and in this video I'm gonna share with you 6 reasons to why pistol squats can be beneficial for you. So number 1, the obvious one is that you can of course train legs anywhere this way. So maybe you're traveling somewhere or you just don't have any equipment available to you. Well, in that case, if you build the necessary leg strength to do pistol squats, then you can get a very effective lower body workout in anywhere you are with no equipment. Number 2, they keep your mobility in check. So pistol squats require a significant amount of lower body mobility in the hips, hamstrings, and especially in the ankles. So if you're getting very tight in one of those 3 areas, especially the ankles, then you're going to struggle with your pistol squats quite a lot. So therefore, if you're able to do a pistol squat, then you also know that your lower body mobility is somewhat in check. Number 3, pistol squats are great for developing the muscles that support the knee stability. One of them being the VMO. So that's the T-drop muscle that you can find just slightly above the knee. And this muscle is heavily involved when it comes to knee stability, and the pistol squat is a great exercise to actually develop that specific part of your quads. Number 4, pistol squats are one of the best exercises to build unilateral leg strength, which means that training one leg at a time. So just one example here is actually triathlon athletes. Now I don't myself do any long endurance sports, but triathlon athletes will actually benefit quite a lot from pistol squats due to their bicycling and their running. Number 5, it's just an overall great quad and glute exercise. Pistol squats do have a pretty intense range of motion, and therefore they become a very effective quad and glute exercise. And finally, point number 6 is that it's a great lower body exercise without actually loading the hip joint or even the knee joint. And let me explain what I mean here. If you're somebody maybe who had some sort of arthritis, or you just lost some cartilage in your knee in general. So cartilage is the stuff that's in between the bones that connect the knee, and that's a softening cushion right there. And without cartilage, it's going to be just bone against bone. Now if you maybe have had some arthritis or lost some cartilage for whatever reason, if you go under a heavy barbell or under some heavy weights in general, then if you don't have enough cartilage, so the cushioning, it's going to be very painful. There's going to be a lot of bone against bone. But here is where pistol squats can come in very useful, because here you obviously don't have any load on you, or if you do, it's a very small load in terms of a kettlebell, which doesn't come near to a heavy barbell, but it's still a very demanding and effective exercise for building lower body strength. So you can get the same training effect of lifting heavy without actually having any heavy load on top of you, and therefore it's going to be less painful for your knee because there's going to be no load on there, but you will get the training effect of lifting heavy, and you also get that rewarding feeling of actually, lifting heavy or doing a hard, intense leg exercise in general. So that is where pistol squats can come in very useful. So those were the 6 main benefits that you might get from pistol squats. Now if you at the moment yet can't perform pistol squats, then don't worry, there's a whole pistol squat for beginners series right here that you can have a look at, and that's going to teach you the necessary steps you need to take in order to safely achieve your first pistol squat. And that's it for this video. Now if you got some value from this video and if you learned something useful, then please go ahead and leave this video a like, it's highly appreciated, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to optimize your bodyweight, ring, and at-home fitness training. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.